Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I was going to upload this one earlier, but I've been asked loads of questions in my Facebook group, which you can join if you want to join. The link's in the description. Okay, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing out daily videos so you can see ways to make money online, but more questions keep getting asked, so I'll do a video and I'll answer them. So I'm asked, how can I make money on Twitter? I keep posting links all the time and never get any conversions. So this is for beginners, this is for anybody. This is what I actually did myself when I put videos on. I'll not give you crap videos, I'll give you videos of things what I've done, what actually work. So you come to Twitter and you can see all I've done is I've pressed on the search bar like that. I've gone to the search bar and I've just typed in who sells this. And what you'll get now, straight away a thing comes up. It says, hello people, please, who sells this or knows where I can get this for a pregnant friend? Thanks. Now, 9 times out of 10, where do you find things to buy? Well, obviously it's Amazon, isn't it? So all you do is come to Google, go to Amazon, sign up for an Amazon Associates account. I'm not going to run through signing in because I'm sure you can do all that yourself, because I'm not an affiliate for them anymore. I'm not bothered. So you just create an account. I think you have to confirm it with your email and then have a search for that what just came up. Let's get it back up again. So it's for something to do with pregnancy. So if it's not on Amazon, you just search for it online. You can copy the image, you can reverse search the image, things like that. And that's it. Once you get the link, look, this has had one person, one comment, that's it, but it's been retweeted 9 times, so it's getting a lot of traction. I'm sure this person is going to be really happy if you can find them where it's sold, so they're going to use your link and bang, there's your first commission. And if not, you can type in things like, can I buy that? That'll be other things what people put, and they'll be wanting to know where they can buy this. They'll give you an image. Can you buy them? But just be careful that some people are just putting stupid tweets up to try and catch you out. So don't spend more than 10 minutes looking, 15 minutes tops I normally spend. But to move it on even further, when I did this, especially with it coming up to Christmas, you'll get people starting big threads of where they can buy. I don't know, they want to know about Bitcoin, or last year I got into a PS5 thread and 47 people used my link just for a PlayStation 5, and it was sold out on Amazon, and I had to search, and it was on eBay. And I'm sure it was, I think it was about £150 dearer, but people still bought it. So yeah, that's it. Like I say, leave your comments. If you're not sure on what I've said today, leave a comment. I've left the link in the description for my Facebook group, and I'm in there every day. I'll answer all your questions, no problem. And I'm also after some moderators and admins for the group, so just leave a message in the group if you want to be a moderator and admin. And apart from that, I think that's it for today, and I'll see you all tomorrow.